Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to make Cash App automatically accept payments. When you need to make a payment without worrying about your bank account, the Auto Cash feature of the Cash App is helpful. With the app, you may create regular payments and even cancel them at any time. To schedule the payment, all you have to do is scan your finger and enter your PIN. So going back to the question, how to make Cash App automatically accept payments. Well, it can be activated by logging into your Cash App account and choosing the Auto Cash option. Select Auto Cash from the Profile tab by tapping it after that. Select the Deposit option after that. Type the amount, and you can choose between a standard deposit and an instant deposit. You can decide the method of depositing you want to use, and you must then confirm your decision. Again, using Cash App's automatic acceptance is a terrific method to speed up transactions and make them simpler. Simple steps to accomplish this are as follows. Start the app. Access the options menu by clicking the gear icon. Search for payment preferences. You just have to turn on auto accept payments to enable it. Define a transaction threshold limit. Verify your choices, then leave the settings menu. It's recommended to check the official documentation or customer support for the most recent information, as these guidelines have a tendency to change over time. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.